How to enable the floating assistant menu on your Samsung phone with Android 15. So I'm talking about this here in which you have access to some quick toggles. It'll be this little floating icon right here, and let's do it. If you want to do this today or next year, go ahead and use the quick access like this here and tap on the settings icon right there. Once here, you'll want to go down to the part that says accessibility, and it's to the very bottom area, past all of this right here, accessibility. Once you're here now, you'll see all these options, then go to where it says interaction and dexterity. Now that you're here, you're going to see assistant menu, which is this part right here. So you can choose to turn it on from here or go into there and turn it on and make changes to some settings. So you have your little floating icon here already, and if you tap on it wherever you are, it'll pop up for you. But I'm just going to put this away and to show you some other options that you can go ahead and make use of. So select assistant menu item. So this here is basically what's going to appear in your assistant menu. So you get your icon here floating there. These are all that's in there, and these are all what you can add. So if you want to remove any of these, you can minus them, tap on the minus there, that's going to remove them for you. So maybe you're not going to use a screen off one, so you could go ahead and remove that. And to the bottom area, perhaps you can use the one with the quick side panel or the double press. And with Android 15 One UI 7.0, they have rearranged some items in there and gave you more options. Of course, once you're done, just back away. That'll already save those options for you. Here you got a few more other additional items you can add. Will show contextual options specific to these apps. So within these particular apps here, you will see some additional items in the assistant menu or features when you enable it for all these apps here if you're using the assistant menu icon or floating app. As I come out of here now, we have replace swipe with a single tap. All right, so respond to alarms, alerts, and incoming calls by tapping instead of swiping. So if you want that, it's up to you. Now we got the assistant menu shortcut. This is to enable the assistant menu or disable it whenever you are ready to use it instead of having to come into the main menu and turn it on. So if I turn this on here and I tap here, this is going to give me access as to how I can go about enabling it. I'll bring up the phone a little bit so you can see this little icon right down here to the bottom right. If you have the navigation buttons, you will be able to access your menu anytime you want to. And if you're using the full swipe gestures, you can make use of the volume keys by holding them down, the up and down, or the power button together to enable the assistant menu instead of having to come here every time and turn it on or off. All right, so it's really just up to you if you're interested in that. Then we have the size of the icon here, extra small, small, large, and I'll just bring it up closer so you can see right now. It's going to be extra small, it's a bit smaller now, and then large is going to be this big here. And then the transparency of how visible it's going to be. And finally, have it appear as a edge icon. So instead of it just being in any random spot, with this turned on, it'll be on the edge over here. Okay, you can see as I put my pen to it, or if I simply just a single tap on it, that's gonna bring it out for me. So instead of having it floating all over the screen, you can have it as an edge icon. And again, you can come back here and turn it off like and so.